It's the end of the month, and I am just barely squeaking in the unboxing of my Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of December. But I'm getting it in there, y'all. Let's get into it. Hey, howdy. Hey, y'all. Leanna here. In today's edition of What's on the Porch, we have my Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of December. Happy holidays. Normally I do a try-on, but when I looked in this box, there were a couple of products that I decided I did not want to keep, so I will not be trying those on. There are 2 products I am going to try on, well, possibly 3. This is going to be a quick one, y'all. The first product in the box is this Hearth Palette from Chantico Beauty. So pretty. I love the packaging. They really have very nice artwork on their packaging. It has Shade Saver in it. And this is what the palette looks like. And I love that blue, and that green looks really nice. But this is just not a color story that I'm going to reach for. So that's why I decided not to try it on, because I can put this in my Mercari shop. Maybe some of you are interested in this palette, seeing it unboxed, but you don't or are not subscribed to Eyescream Beauty. So I'm going to put that in my Mercari shop. This palette retails for $40. It will be in the Mercari shop less than that. It says, attain a mesmerizing eye look with this 12-shade eyeshadow palette. The Hearth eyeshadow palette features rich, warm tones reminiscent of a cozy fireside experience, with shades ranging from deep cocoa browns to fiery reds. It captures the essence of warmth and comfort. Perfect for creating a wide variety of looks. And it is a very pretty palette, and I have quite a few of this brand's products, and I like their products, no issues there. I just knew that was not a color story that I was going to reach for. The next product is a highlighter. Y'all know I'm keeping this. This is the Angel Highlighter by ZC Cosmetics x the British Museum, and it retails for $26. This highlighter is available in 2 different finishes. It delivers a stunning soft focus glow to your skin. It's formulated with ultra-fine shimmer particles to create a glowing, luminous complexion, long-lasting and blendable. It gives you the perfect, effortless highlight. So let's get it out of this box so we can see what it looks like. Cute packaging. Very, very cute packaging. Love the little cupid there on the front. Look how cute that is. And that's what the inside looks like. It even has a cupid embossed. It has a little mirror in there. I like that shade. Does it say what shade it is? They always put a number. SO2. So I'm just going to take my BK Beauty X Angie Hot and Flashy A506. I love this brush for a highlighter brush. And let's just... Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. And I do have some highlighter on my cheeks. But that's alright. Can you have too much? Is that a thing? That's really pretty. So I'll put it over here so I can balance. Very nice. I like that. And I'm starting to appreciate the small size packages. Very nice. The next item is this little mini lip set from Ofra, and it's called Gone MIA. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Why pick one color when you can have 4? This mini lip set is the perfect set for the holidays. It has nudes, pinks, and red. You can also just slip them in your purse or clutch and take them to go without taking up too much space. Did I say it retails for $20? That seems like a lot for these little minis. They are super cute though, y'all. Look how cute those are, and they even have the Ofra logo on the top in the square packaging. They are very cute. Should we swatch them? Let's swatch them and then we'll decide which one we want to put on. This one is Sanibel. And then we have Adventura. Ooh. That's pretty. I just set that one right here because that might be the one. Then we have Winwood. Ooh, that's pretty, but I don't know if that's my color. And the last one is Miami Fever. Oh, I like that one too. Very nice. Very, very nice. I think I am going to go with this one, Adventura, because I am the adventurer. These look like they're drying down on my hand. My lips do feel dry though, y'all. Let me put just a little bit of something on there. Get them hydrated a little bit. That is really pretty. And you know, I used to not use a lip liner, but now that I do, if I don't use one, it makes it even harder to put lipstick on. What's up with that? That's super cute. Those will be fun in my turn and burn panning project. Alright, next up we have a color liquid eyeliner from ZC, and this says Living Colorfully. This is a cream white and it retails for $24. Backed by popular demand, this time in white. You guys love the formula of the last month, so we were extra excited to find that we had the opportunity to bring this eyeliner formula back. The white is perfect for the holiday season. Create a fun look or just use it to brighten up your eye look. White eyeliner is very popular around the holiday season. And this is what the component looks like. Very nice. And it is indeed a white eyeliner. So let's just, it's like a pearl. Well, that looks nice. And the last item is a lip liner duo by Bella Cosmetics, Bella Cosmetics. They retail for $6 for both of them. Liquid lipsticks can get a little bit messy and hard to apply precisely. That's why we are giving you 2 lip liners to go with the lipstick set. This will help you get a clean and even application, or even get the plump lip look by overlining. And these are the 2 shades. They are shrink wrapped, and I have a ton of lip liners. I think that these are supposed to dry down. I think they're working on it. They're not there yet. I'm still cloudy with the eyeliner. So those are all of the products in my Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of December. The total value of my box is $116. I always subscribe to Eyescream Beauty for a 6-month period, so my boxes come out to be $23 a month, and that includes free shipping. So far, I have loved my subscription. I think I am going on year 3, and my subscription has always been a paid subscription, so thanks for watching me unbox my Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of December. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button. Stick around for all the shenanigans. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, love you, bye. Christopher, here's your makeup tip for your mama. When in doubt, draw a beauty mark. It worked for Marilyn Monroe. Mama loves you.